How's it going, everyone? Back again, 24 to 105. Going out for some low light street. See how it works out in the low light. Underexposed a bit. Just warming up. I don't know what he's doing, washing the road. It was supposed to rain today, but apparently not. First shot of this lens good enough for low light at f4. Boring sky. We're going to turn these lights on then. I have to do a massive crop. There's a bunch of them shops in Changsha, but I've never seen one in Shenzhen before like that. Already streaming, I can just might be moving a bit faster 1/100. Oh no, 800 ISO. I've got this beautiful smoker across there. Oh, I'm thinking of getting the EF 135 f2 lens. I checked all the shots I'm taking and I'm 90% at 105. So 100mm is not enough. Maybe might be a bit overexposed. Should be alright though. Probably better to overexpose that little tiny bit. The same guy I got before. At least with a 105, I don't like the clock so much. Drive by. Little sign shop, you know they're a good sign shop if they can make perfect copies of famous signs, you know. trick to a good panning shot is take a bunch of them and get lucky. So I'm at 1/13th, f4 because it's dark, obviously. That's the highest I can go. And could go 1/10. 1/10 would probably be better. Nah. They were probably moving a bit too quick for me. I'm moving slower than them, I reckon. Oh, this one's alright. Don't really like the location for it. International clothes on sale. Now back down to 180th. I like this shot of this guy over here. This Robocop.
窗口检查完毕。专门欢迎您，请大家维护市容环境，保持公共卫生，遵守市容管理规定。请勿随垃圾桶检查完毕。窗口检查完毕。 贴膜、手机配件、手机壳、手机贴膜。
Good thing about China is that everyone's always on their phone. But then anyone notice you if you're taking pictures anyway. Quick snaps and dash. We'll focus on this little tree. Purposely using a high shutter speed so I can test the ISO. We're at about 3,000 for them shelf, or more, 5,000 ISO. If any higher, I'll be able to see right through people. Pretty much ISO. 40,000 ISO. Not for a good picture, just for the quick, just for vibes. Alright, I'm done here for today. I'll be back tomorrow when it's raining. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. See you.